Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to another episode of Diesel's Garage because, well, it's winter in Canada and we just can't ride right now. Well, you probably could if you really wanted to, but that big bitch and all the gravel and stuff on the road, nah, not worth it. And it's 80k winds today. So anyhow, let's have a quick break for the intro and talk about something we kind of already talked about before, but in much more depth. So yeah, good morning, and well, thanks for tuning in. Brad with Diesel's Hog Vlog here. So I picked up some of this Adams ceramic graphene coating. I picked it up this spring, last spring I guess, and I did some stuff showing that on Instagram and everything, and man, what a job this did. Made the old scooter there look like brand new, probably better than brand new. I don't think they put this good of a coating on it. So this isn't a ceramic coating in the sense of the word, like you would go and spend $2,000 and have your vehicle ceramic coated. It's applied very similarly. You have to wash your vehicle really well, in this case my bike, and make sure it's dried, super clean, no water spots, and then you can hit it with this, with the microfiber sponge block that you get, and then it turns rainbow, and then you nail it off with your microfiber towel. So it shed water unbelievably well. The dust hardly stuck to it for the rest of the summer, so pretty impressed. But let's see why I'm in the garage today with this, and I think you'll understand. My garage is a mess. Always happens in the winter. So anyways, what happened was we got a huge snowstorm here right away in winter. There wasn't really much time to get to go wash my bike, although I have my own pressure washer. So scooter got put away with this going on. I am absolutely hammered with bugs everywhere. The last road trip that I went on in the fall, it really warmed up and the bugs were out like crazy. So yeah, so the idea today is I've got a bucket of warm soapy water and I'm just going to see how easy that washes off, because when they advertise it, it says they should just wash right off. So let's see if it's true. Alright, so basically I'm just got my soft cloth, bucket of warm water, doing this live, no editing, and let's just see what happens here. I'm not going to get crazy. So normally I would pressure wash this. I keep my pressure washer turned down a little bit. I don't like to spray on my instrument cluster very hard. I am going to make a big mess on my garage floor here. So I'm going to just do half here, and so this is real time. I'm not going to edit out anything so it looks like, ooh, look how good it worked. And in reality, I actually scrubbed for 20 minutes or something. So sorry that this is nothing exciting to watch. So go ahead and just fast forward if you want to. But I want you to see how hard or not hard it is to get the bugs off with this Adams ceramic. Now, I have done the same thing, not in a test like this, but with other carnauba type waxes. There's a nasty one. And I didn't have great results, I'm going to be honest. They look good when you do them, but I don't know if it's the sun that does stuff to them or what. But so I'll just get this deflector in here. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to stop the camera for 1 second. You will see, here I'll put some soap on it so you know I didn't cheat. And I'm going to shut this off and just give it a quick dry. Okay, so see the soap bubble still crawling down there. So I'm just going to give this a quick towel off. I forgot to bring enough nice soft cloth, so I'm using a shop towel. Shame on me. And I'm just going to give this all a wipe off here. And I'm going to use another clean one. Never mind. All right. So don't tell my wife I took her good cloths. This is like her good dusting and house cleaning cloths. So I'm just going to wipe off what I wet down here. And I have to say, absolutely unbelievable. So was it expensive? I guess it depends on what you call expensive. But let's do a close-up. All right, so there's that side. Come across here. And so you saw real time how quick I wiped that down. And wow, that was so easy. It was crazy, you know. So yeah, there's still a couple little bug streaks, but I mean, I did that really quick. And look at the chrome, hey? So, wow. That's the first time I washed it since I guess I didn't do around the corner. First time I washed it since I tried that Adams polish. So yeah, you might say, hey, are you affiliated with them? No, I have 153 subscribers. Who's going to affiliate with me? I just like trying out stuff and new stuff, and well, Adams Graphene. So like I said, I think it was like 45 bucks. I'd have to go back in my visa somewhere and find them because they don't have this in Canada. So I did order it right from Adams, actually off their website. They had pretty cheap shipping. Caught me in the end though. I thought, oh, only $5 to ship to Canada. Everybody charges like 40 bucks. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I got a bill 3 weeks later from FedEx for customs for another 35 bucks. So this actually cost me $70 in Canada. Ridiculous, right? But I've got to say that right there, how absolutely wet and beautiful this bike looked when I polished it this summer, and how easy those bugs. So it is now the 18th of December. Those bugs have been on the front end of that bike just sitting there drying since mid-September. So not something I like to do to my paint. But I didn't sweat it because I knew I had coated it good with this. So if you're looking for something wicked, I would suggest you give this a try. If you have a favorite already, then that's awesome. But I am a believer, you know, and so I did my whole bike and it's still that full. And so I used, you know, maybe half an inch out of this bottle to do my whole bagger. So give it a shot, see what you think. Anyways, I'd like to thank everybody for watching what I've done so far this year. First year motovlogging, 153 subs. You guys rock. I mean, that's fantastic. I didn't think I would have half that. I didn't think I'd have 50, to tell you the truth. So, met a lot of great people, had a lot of fun, been on some live streams. Can't thank you guys enough. It's been so fun. I can't wait till next summer. So, got some good trips planned. You know, the military biker and a couple other guys and I, we've got a couple adventures we're going to go on next summer, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Talk to you next time.